Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwala. Today we will be talking about Ketu. Ketu in the star Jyestha from the 19th September 2020 and especially after the 21st December 2020. And all planets will be gripped by the nodes by Rahu and Ketu from the 11th January 2021. Ketu is a planet of virus and disease, and the saying is Sura Suram Rahu Rog Harnam Ketu Rog Karnam. Ketu gives disease and Rahu takes out the disease from the body. And when Rahu is Amrit, in fact, and he should be unafflicted. Now, Rahu is also going to be afflicted after the 21st of February 2021. And Jupiter has already lost in planetary war on the 21st of December in the after the solar eclipse of the 14th December, where the luminaries, the life-giving force, were at 29 degrees. It is a most venomous combination. Let me read out the article which I have written today. Ketu on wheel in Jyestha star, nodes gripping all planets. 11th January 2021. 8 European countries gripped in the virus, in the new virus. As predicted 8 months back, on the 23rd of May, I had predicted that after Ketu goes in Jyestha star, it is also a Anumukh star. It is also a venomous star like Mula. Not as much as Mula, but definitely it is also not a good star. And especially the sign Scorpio, where the eclipses are taking place. Scorpio is a 8th house of the natural zodiac, and for all lingering diseases and diseases like cancer are all seen from the sign Scorpio. That is why I had predicted that the Ketu ingress in Scorpio will not be good. And this Ketu is transiting over the natal Ketu as far as India is concerned. So let me talk about the article. Ketu on wheel, okay? Rahu afflicted is Amrit, and removes the diseases, and Ketu gives diseases. I had predicted 8 months back, article dated 23rd May 2020, that Ketu in Jyestha star is equally bitter and venomous like the Mula star, and since Ketu gives diseases and virus, there may be a new virus spread after the 19th September 2020 and especially after the 21st December 2020, when planetary war takes place between Saturn and Jupiter within 7 days of the 14th December 2020. Solar eclipse as per Matsya Puran, the Jyotish classic, which is proving spot on. Now read my article. This article I have mentioned, please read it. I will also mention in the video. Ketu, the Jyestha star, is on the wheel till 10th May 2021 because Ketu will be in the Jyestha star till 10th May 2021 and most venomous as already predicted. 8 months back, all planets, I had predicted 8 months back, all planets will be gripped in the nodes from the 11th January 2021 till Mars crosses Rahu on the 28th March 2021. On the 27th March, Rahu and Mars will be degree conjunct. So Mars will also be afflicted. So it is very bad at this point of time. Mars will be in degree conjunct at 19 degrees in Rohini, and especially Rohini star is very bad as far as Rahu is concerned. Rahu and Mars in Rohini star is a most malefic combination as far as India is concerned. It is not only that virus and diseases, there may be so many other things which will crop up. As I've already mentioned, please read my articles. It may be political turmoil, it may be brawl between the countries, it may be brawl with the neighbors, it may be earthquakes, it may be political turmoil, it may be strikes. So all happenings have taken place when Rahu or any malefic is in Rohini star. Now here Mars and Rahu will be in Rohini star. So all, if you look back Whenever Rahu and Ketu have been in Taurus and Scorpio, all the malefic happenings have taken place, whether it was Babri Masjid, whether it was Jallianwala Bagh, whether it was a war with China, or so many things I don't remember. It's very difficult to say all that. I've already written in my articles, so many things have happened. Unfortunate part. And then the Blue Star operation had also taken place at the time when Rahu and Ketu were in this axis. And then assassination of Indira Gandhi. So what should I talk? It's nothing positive coming out. We have suffered in 2020 and 2021. Beginning from the 11th, the stars are being gripped by the nodes. What bad could happen? 2021, especially till the 10th May 2021, and Jupiter will come out of the Capricorn where it is getting debilitated and has planetary war with Saturn on the 5th of April 2021. So friends, till 5th of April and till 10th of May, we don't have any respite. The good part is that Mars is ingressing in Aries, and it will also be for Gautam after it gets out of Gandanta. It is, I think, already got out of the Gandanta. And at the time of Gandanta, 8 countries in the Europe are suffering from a new virus strain. I fear this strain may come to other countries. I've talked about Gemini sign. We can also talk about Aries sign, because those countries who have Aries sign allotted to by Varaha Mira, it could also be bad. Let me read out the Aries sign also. This is most venomous time frame, friends. What should I say? Most malefic times. I will mention in the article. I'm not able to find the page. Okay, I will mention in the article again as far as the Aries sign is concerned. And then the situations are becoming parallel to the planets. Like all the planets were gripped in the nodes after the 26th December 2019 solar eclipse. I fear the results may not be auspicious and the virus may spread in other countries as well. Jupiter, the Jiva planet, is also in debilitation and lost in planetary war in the sign Capricorn, and most venomous till 5th April 2021. Jupiter is a Jiva planet, so it gives life, and the life-giving force, sun and moon, they are in Gandanta as far as the eclipse is concerned. So friends, it is not good. It shows the mankind will have suffering, especially the European countries. US will suffer the most. European countries, it may be Canada, it may be, I have mentioned all the countries, I will just read it out. In the solar eclipse on the 14th December, Utna luminaries were in Gandanta and the star Jesta. There may not be relief from the virus spread. The fortunate part is that Mars has joined the sign Aries and will give some relief from the vaccines. In totality, there can only be relief after the vaccines, from the vaccines after the 10th May 2021. Although the virus may not totally disappear, comparing it with the Spanish flu, which disappeared after the ingress of Ketu in Aries and Rahu in Libra. And now in the present condition, Rahu in Aries and Ketu in Libra will take place only on the 8th of February 2023, and there will be exchange of the nakshatras. So friends, this is the only time when we can see the disappearance of this virus after the 8th February 2023. Varaha Mira has allotted Gemini sign to the following countries and may come in the grip of the new virus soon: USA, Canada, South of England, Belgium, Italy, Egypt, Armenia, London, Melbourne, Plymouth, San Francisco, and so many other countries, Since afflicted Ketu will be in the 6th house from the Gemini sign and planetary war of Jupiter and Saturn in the 8th house. These countries will suffer the most. India can also suffer since the eclipse and the Ketu in the 7th house over the natal Ketu and Rahu about to enter the Rohini star on the 13th February 2021. So friends, after 13th February, there is no respite, absolutely no respite till Rahu remains in Rohini. This is also a most malefic combination as far as India is concerned, and India is running the dasha of Moon Saturn till July. So till July we have no respite. And on the 1st of July there is Mars and Saturn opposition at 18 degrees. So friends, it is most malefic combinations. I don't find any respite. The agitations, the strikes, earthquakes, tsunamis, untoward happenings, all India will be gripped with all this. Apart from the virus, we have to be very cautious. We have to take full precautions. If the government does not, government should make sure that proper lockdowns and social distancing is maintained. If social distancing is not maintained, then we will have parallel situations like coronavirus what we had after March. So friends, March 2020, it may not be that bad, but definitely it can be bad. So friend, this is all I just wanted to share. All the planets will be gripped from the 11th of January to 28th March 2020. This is the most enigmatic period, especially when Ketu is in Jyeshtha Nakshatra and Rahu will also join Rohini Nakshatra. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share. Thank you for sharing to me. Thank you for listening to me, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.